Hey guys, what's up? I'll be showing you guys a new type of attack against the Wi-Fi network using a tool that's been released not long ago called reaver. Reaver implements a brute force attack against the access point's WPS registrar's pin and is able to recover the WPA-WPA2 passphrase. WPS stands for Wi-Fi Protected Setup, and it's implemented in all major access points such as Linksys, D-Link, Belkin, and a lot more. Keep in mind, in order for this attack to work, the access point must have WPS enabled. By default, all access points have this enabled. And also, what's great about reaver is that you don't need to capture a four-way handshake and spend days or weeks using a dictionary attack just to try to get the passphrase. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to download reaver. I'll be using backtrack. Just open up a terminal and using wget we'll be downloading reaver. Okay, now it's time to extract reaver. Alright, now that we're done extracting it, we're gonna cd into the reaver directory and then into the src. Alright, now it's time to configure and install reaver. Type in /configure. Sorry guys, I'm just trying to fix the transparency on my terminal here, trying to get a better view. Obviously this step is not required. Now type in make. And make install. Reaver has created a symbolic link, which basically means you could access reaver in any directory. You don't need to be inside the reaver directory to use it. So once it's done installing, just disconnect your internet and set your Wi-Fi card into monitor mode. I'll be using AirMon NG. Alright, so monitor mode is enabled on Mon 0. Next step is to get the BSS ID. I'll be using aerodump-ng. Alright, now to start the attack, just type in reaver and then use the I switch, which is for the interface, and the B switch, which is for the BSS ID. You could also add the VV switch, puts it in verbose mode, and you're able to see details on what's going on. Alright, so now it's time to wait. This process could take anywhere between 4 to 10 hours depending on the access point you're attacking. Some access points could take more requests, and some take, some have a timeout every 10 seconds, and some actually have the security feature where they completely stop for about 5 minutes. Just read the README file to Reaver, and you'll get more details on that. Just wanted to point one thing out. Reaver could cause a denial of service to some routers. My router had crashed at 47.49%. If you noticed on the screen here, you see it repeating 3 times. All I did was go up to the router, switch it off for about 15 seconds, and switched it back on. And Reaver had continued its process. It did not reset, which is great. Just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. After waiting patiently, Reaver finally got my WPS pin and my WPA PSK passphrase. Pretty impressive. I was, shocked for a couple of hours. So, in order to stop this attack, you just basically disable your WPS, and you should be good. I'd like to thank the researcher who discovered this vulnerability, and check out my site for more tutorials I'll be posting, and check out securitube.net if you've not seen it and haven't been on there. Thanks for watching, guys, and good luck.